Have you ever noticed that while eclairs are big and oblong, these delicious cream-filled pastries are always small, round, and dainty? Today, we break down the exact scientific and culinary reasons why profiteroles are defined by their size. Let's start with the basics. Both items use the same magic choux pastry dough, but Alan Davidson draws a clear distinction based on dimensions. Unlike modern cream puffs that can be as big as your palm and feel heavy, true profiteroles are strictly smaller, rounder, and much more uniform in their shape. The size difference isn't accidental, it relates to texture and handling. Because these small puffs are lighter and daintier in the hand, they offer a specific mouthfeel that larger, heavier cream puffs simply cannot replicate without becoming cumbersome or difficult to eat. Historically, this size mattered immensely for their original purpose. Before they were dessert icons, these small choux puffs served as savory garnishes for soups and stews, filled with pureed meats or cheese, requiring a bite-sized portion that wouldn't overwhelm the main dish. While eclairs grow oblong and elongated to fit into a croissant-like shape, profiteroles maintain a perfect sphere. This roundness allows the heat to distribute evenly during baking, creating that signature crispy exterior shell with a silky, hollow interior that holds the filling perfectly. Even today, you might find them serving savory rolls in advanced cuisine, yet the definition remains rigid. Cream puff exceeds the size of your hand or loses that uniform roundness. It has technically graduated from being a profiteroles to simply being a large cream puff. So the next time you bite into one of these French pastries, remember, its small size is actually a strict culinary requirement that separates it from other desserts and honors its history as a delicate uniform treat. Now you know the secret behind their tiny size. Are you more of a savory or sweet profiterole fan? Let us know your preference in the comments below and subscribe for more deep dives into food science.